Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install TVZone on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install TVZone, here's what you should do. On your Hisense Smart TV, search for your app store and launch it. Now, if you have a Hisense Smart TV, the real official Hisense Smart TV, your app store should look like this. So as you come over here, what you have to do is to type in TVZone. So just come over here, type in TVZone on the search box. This is the easiest way to get to it. You could still browse through your apps to try to locate it, but that can take a while. So just go here, type in TVZone, type in this is quite complicated. TVZone, and then you can go ahead and search. And as you can see, here's the application over here, TVZone, and then just load it, and it's going to bring you here. And then click on it, and then the application is going to be installed. Then you can choose where to place it on your home screen, and you can go ahead and launch the application. That's how to install this application to your Hisense Smart TV.